Hi and welcome to another Whiteboard Wednesday episode with me, Sam Ashdown from Firewave. So today I want to talk to you about your audience, the audience you're trying to gather on Facebook or one of the other social networks or even as blog subscribers or wherever this audience is. Did you know that about 3% of properties are on the market right now? Sometimes more, sometimes less. If you're in a very urban area, it's probably less. If you're in a very rural area, it's probably more. It's worth finding out what yours is, find out your population, have a look at the properties that are on the market and do some sums. 3%. But another 12% of people are considering selling. That's 4 times as many as is actually on the market. And that number will probably consider selling in the next year to 18 months. That gives you a total market available of 15%. So all you need to do is actually build a bigger market, a bigger pool of people that you can communicate with that's going to be following you on social media. So if most estate agents' Facebook pages have about 1,000 to 2,000 followers, that will be this blue here. And let's say you've got 1,000 followers, then your 15% is 150. What if you can get up to 10,000 followers? What does it look like then? That's 1,500. So at 10,000 people following you, all local relevant likes, you've got a much better chance of getting to those 15% that could actually use your services now and in the next 18 months. And that's where you want to be focusing your attention. So by getting a bigger pool of people who are selling or thinking about selling, you just need a bigger audience in total. If you'd like to know how to be one of our clients or how to even find out whether your area is available, all you need to do is go to www.fire-wave.co.uk/start and we'll tell you straight away whether your area is available and have a chat to you about what it means to be a Firewave client. And we'll see you soon.